This quick guide will teach you how to handle returns on eBay. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting, managing returns efficiently is crucial for maintaining a good reputation and ensuring customer satisfaction. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to handle returns smoothly on eBay. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and navigating to eBay's website. You can do this by typing ebay.com into the address bar at the top of your browser and hitting enter. Once you're on the eBay homepage, you'll notice a variety of options to explore. For now, our focus is on managing your sales, so the next step is crucial. At the top right corner of the page, you'll see a link labeled Sell. Go ahead and click on this. By doing so, you'll be directed to your selling dashboard, which provides a comprehensive overview of your sales activities. Here, you can manage your listings, track orders, and importantly, handle any returns. This dashboard is your command center for everything related to selling on eBay. Once you're in your selling dashboard, look for the Orders drop-down menu. This menu is typically located somewhere near the top of the page. Clicking on it will reveal a list of options related to your transactions. It's a handy tool to keep track of all the orders you've processed. From here, you can access various aspects of your order management, including the all-important Returns section. Within the Orders drop-down, select Returns. This will take you to the dedicated Returns area. Here, you can see all return requests that customers have initiated. It's essential to regularly check this section to stay on top of any issues that may arise. Handling returns promptly can help minimize disruption to your business and keep your customers satisfied. Now that you're in the returns section, you can begin handling any return requests. Each return request will have detailed information, including the reason for the return, the condition of the item, and any additional comments from the buyer. Carefully review this information to determine the best course of action. Depending on your return policy, you may choose to accept the return, offer a replacement, or issue a refund. It's important to communicate clearly with the buyer throughout this process to ensure a smooth resolution. In conclusion, handling returns on eBay is a critical part of maintaining a successful selling experience. By following these steps, navigating to eBay, accessing your selling dashboard, selecting the Orders drop-down, and managing returns, you'll be well equipped to efficiently address any return requests that come your way. Remember, clear communication and prompt action are key to resolving returns and keeping your customers happy. Thank you for watching this guide, and best of luck with your eBay selling journey.